How to upgrade, downgrade an account in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged in to WebHost Manager, WHM. Now let's learn how to upgrade or downgrade an account in WHM. Click the Account Functions link. Then click the Upgrade, Downgrade an Account link. Upgrading or downgrading an account uses account packages. In other words, we're simply going to assign a different package to one of the accounts in WHM. Let's upgrade the mynewtestdomain.com account. Click Modify. Currently, the mynewtestdomain.com account is set up as a silver package as shown here. Note the mybiz123 appended to the beginning of the package name. That is the username of this WHM reseller plan's main account and indicates that the silver package was created solely for the use of this reseller plan. The packages listed here at the top, without mybiz123 in front, are global packages created by the root user of this server. Let's upgrade this account to the Res5 package. Click Upgrade, Downgrade. That's it! The mynewtestdomain.com account has been upgraded to the Res5 package. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to upgrade or downgrade an account in WHM.